A very good morning to all of you. Today we will continue our revision of chapter number 9, volume and nets of solid. So our next topic is nets of solid. In this topic we have to find the net of cubes and cuboids. So firstly we have to see this one cube. So firstly cut along some of the edges of a cube and open it up to get a net of a cube. A cube has 6 square faces in the net. So as we seen earlier that a cube has 6 faces. Okay, so for finding its net we have to open this cube. So first step is open this cube. So this is look like this, and when we straight it, this look like net of cube. Okay, so there are many faces of this net of cube. Suppose like this, then the second is this. So you can also find a cube by making your own net of solid. Means if you draw this like of pattern or टेक समथिंग, यदि आप कोई कागज़ की कोई चीज़ जिसमें आप क्यूब्स बना के ऐसा कोई पैटर्न बनाते हैं तो आप भी क्यूब का नेट फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, द सेम इज विद क्यूबॉइड. So basically what is net? So a net of a solid is a figure that can be folded to form the solid. Then the cuboid. A cuboid also has more than one net. Means firstly we open a cuboid and it look like this. Then final net of this cuboid is like this. So we can make another example of net of cuboid, which is this. And the next is net of cone. So for making cone को बनाने के लिए तो क्या लगता है, एक सर्कुलर ऐसा जो एग्जैक्ट ट्रायंगल नहीं होता है बट एक ऐसा सरफेस और उसके साथ एक सर्कल. सो देयर इज अ net of solid which look like this. Then the net of cylinder has one rectangle and two circles. For making cylinder we need two circles and one this rectangle. A sphere does not have a net. Sphere का कोई net नहीं होता है क्योंकि आपने sphere देखा होगा वो चारों साइड से सेम होता है. ठीक है, उसमें कोई कॉर्नर्स नहीं होते हैं. तो that's why we cannot find the net of sphere. The next is your exercise do and learn. So the first question, firstly you have to solve the exercise. You didn't solve this last exercise also, but if you यदि आप प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करेंगे तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या नहीं आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइजेज ऑल्सो. द नेक्स्ट इज drawing cubes and cuboids on isometric grid. So in this isometric grid we have many dots, means like a dot grid, and you have to make this a cuboid, circle or a sphere, sorry not a sphere, circle, cylinder, cone, etc. So first of all we have to draw a cube on an isometric grid. So we can make this by adding these dots. Okay, then we also make this a large cube. Then these are the cuboids. So we can make this cuboid, the kinds of cuboid with the help of this grid. So आपको ये भी ट्राई करना है. ठीक है, आपको ये भी बना के देखना है कि कैसे हम जो आइसोमेट्रिक ग्रिड होती है उस पर क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दिस द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस सॉलिड्स ऑन एन आइसोमेट्रिक ग्रिड. सो यू हैव टू मेक दिस 3 diagrams which are cuboid. This one is cube. So you have to make this figures in this grid. Okay, so that's your homework. You have to do this and share it on your group. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you class.